Today I'll be showing you how to do toss on a Chinese yo-yo. So first we want to speed up our yo-yo. There's two main parts to toss. The first part is where you toss it up, and the second part is where it comes down and you catch it. So first I'll go over how to throw it up. So to throw it up, essentially you're going to take your sticks and go outwards with your sticks, so pull them out while going up. Kind of like this, except faster, so there's more force and your yo-yo comes off your strings. It'll look something like this. Just kind of pulling out wide and going up a little bit. So then there's the second part of catching it. So when you catch it, there's two ways you can catch it, though the easier way is if you catch it. So the easier way is to catch it on one side, though you can also catch it on the middle if you want. So if you want to catch it on one side, what you're going to do is you're going to toss it up like I showed earlier. And then you're going to align your sticks diagonally a little bit. With one hand higher, the side you want to catch it higher, and the other side lower. So that way, it'll catch on the string, it'll roll down towards the other hand. So if you want to make sure your string is pulled out wide completely, so that you know exactly where your string is. So basically you just want to keep your string in a straight line and catch it on the string and let it roll down. So if you connect the whole thing, like I've already shown many times in the video, it just looks like this. You can also catch it in the middle, but it's a bit harder because your middle string is going to be lower than if you have one hand higher. And that means the yo-yo has to travel farther and you have to be more accurate on where you think the yo-yo is. So I think it's just easier to toss it and catch it on one side and let it roll down. I can show it one more time on each side. And that's the middle twice. And then we do the right side.